today I will show how to cook Chinese style steamed egg, and it's really easy. It takes about like 15 minutes. What you need is 2 eggs, spring onion, a glass of water, and some salt. Okay. So take then beat this egg. Put salt in. This egg is well beaten, and now we need to add water. Use the warm water, not very hot, not very cold, and so you can make the smooth egg. And because we used the 2 eggs, so now use this small egg shell, this half one, and add 6 half. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's done. And okay, so nearly done. You can take these small bubbles out, and also you can leave it. It doesn't matter, but I would like to take those bubbles out, so the egg will looks nice when it's done. Now, let's cook it. Fill some water in this pot and put this bowl in, and make sure this water is only halfway to this bowl. So when it boiled, you don't want this hot water get into your egg. This water is fully boiled, and we can put this egg in. Be very careful, it's hot. If you want the steamed egg to have like a custard effects, really smooth, looks like a pudding, and you need to set the fire very small. So make it steam slowly and check it after 5 minutes. Okay, let's check. I think this egg is done. And okay, when you lift this lid, should be really careful, because this steam can be hurt if touch your skin. So lift to an angle. Make sure the steam not on your hand. Let's check. So you just slightly heat the bowl. If it looks like liquid, it's done. Okay. Okay, let's turn off it. Now this steamed egg is almost done. As you can see, it's really smooth on the surface. And just need to put some spring onion on to add a more flavor, and put some soya sauce maybe. Oops. So make sure you use a light soya sauce, not a dark one. The difference between light and dark is light is for the taste, dark is for the color. And if you have a sesame sauce, you can put it on. Okay, it's done. See? Okay. This is the first time I make this cooking video, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Hope you like it. And as I said, this steamed egg is nice and easy. Try it, you will like it. Okay, bye bye.